Hello everyone, in front of me is Honor 70 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then go to contacts if you're not in this panel, mark the one that you wish to apply this profile picture to, and then select edit. Click on profile picture, so the camera icon at first, and then decide if you wish to grab a picture right away or choose something from your gallery. I will pick a picture from my gallery. Now let's select the proper one, the one that you want to apply, tap on confirmation mark. Now you can smoothly customize it however you like. And then click on confirmation mark. Tap on confirmation mark again, and that's it. As you can see, from now on the picture is assigned to your contact. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.